Have you ever dreamed of starting a pig farm and making money from pigs? Maybe you've already started, but things are not going as planned? Well, what if I told you that most new pig farmers fail not because pigs are hard to raise, but because they make some very common mistakes? In this video, we'll uncover the 7 big mistakes new pig farmers make, and most importantly, how to avoid them. Mistake number 5? That one could actually cost you your entire business. So grab a pen and paper, and let's dive in. One, starting without a plan. This is the biggest and most common mistake. Starting a pig farm without a clear plan. Many beginners just buy a few pigs and start feeding them, thinking they will figure it out along the way. But pig farming is a business, and every business needs a plan. Ask yourself, how many pigs do I want to raise? Do I want to do pig breeding or just grow pigs for meat? Where will I sell my pigs? What are the costs of feed, water, medicine, housing? How to avoid it? Before you buy even one pig, sit down and write a simple plan. Talk to experienced farmers. Know your budget and understand the market in your area. Number 2, poor pig housing. The second big mistake is bad housing. Some people keep pigs in small, dirty spaces. Others build expensive houses that are not suitable. But pigs need good ventilation, enough space, and protection from rain, heat, and cold. If their pen is too hot or too wet, they can get sick fast. How to avoid it? Build a simple but strong pig house. Use materials available in your area. Make sure there is good airflow, proper drainage, and enough space for each pig. Here's a simple tip. Each adult pig needs at least 1.5 to 2 square meters of space. 3. Feeding the wrong way. Feeding pigs the wrong way is a fast road to failure. Some farmers feed their pigs once a day with kitchen leftovers or just cassava peels. Others give too much feed without checking growth. Remember, what you feed is what you get. How to avoid it? Feed your pigs twice a day, morning and evening. Use a balanced feed with protein, energy, and vitamins. You can mix commercial feed with local feed like maize, soybeans, or brewer's waste. But learn how to balance it. Give clean water all the time. You don't need to spend too much, but you need to feed smart. 4. Ignoring disease prevention. This one is serious, not preventing diseases. New farmers often wait until pigs are very sick before acting. Some don't vaccinate or deworm. Others don't keep the pens clean. One sick pig can infect all your pigs. How to avoid it? Always keep the pig house clean and dry. Deworm your pigs every 2 to 3 months. Vaccinate your pigs against common diseases like swine fever and erysipelas. Isolate sick pigs immediately. Also, have a vet or animal health worker you can call when needed. 5. Not knowing your market. This is a silent killer of many pig businesses, not knowing where and how to sell your pigs. Some farmers grow pigs to market weight but don't know where to sell. Others sell too early or too cheap because they're desperate. How to avoid it? Research the market before you start. Know the best time of the year to sell. Build relationships with butchers, restaurants, meat processors, and local markets. If possible, work with cooperatives or other farmers to sell together and get better prices. Never wait till the last minute. A pig without a market is money lost. 6. Mixing different ages and breeds. Here's a mistake you may not have thought about. Mixing pigs of different ages and breeds in one pen. When you put big pigs with small ones, the big pigs will bully the small ones, eat their food, and even hurt them. Also, mixing breeds without understanding them can lead to poor growth or health problems. How to avoid it? Separate pigs by age and size. Keep sows, piglets, and boars in different pens. When buying pigs, choose a breed that fits your goal. For meat production, go for fast-growing breeds like Large White, Landrace, or Duroc. Always quarantine new pigs for 2 weeks before mixing with the others. Seven, giving up too soon. And finally, many new farmers make this final mistake, giving up too soon. Pig farming is not get rich quick. Sometimes you will face challenges. Pigs may get sick, feed may be expensive, or you may make losses. But giving up after 1 or 2 failures means all your efforts are wasted. How to avoid it? Be patient and learn from your mistakes. Keep records of your spending, feeding, and growth. Ask questions, join farmer groups, watch videos like this one. Every big farmer today started small and made mistakes. If you keep learning and improving, success will come. Quick recap. Let's go over the 7 big mistakes again. 1. No plan, always plan before you start. 2. Poor housing, build good, clean, and safe pens. 3. Wrong feeding, use balanced, smart feeding. 4. Ignoring health, deworm, vaccinate, and clean regularly. 5. No market, know where and when to sell. 6. Mixing pigs, separate by age and breed. 7. Giving up early. Be patient and learn from mistakes. Closing message. Pig farming can be a great way to make money and feed your family, if you do it right. Now that you know the mistakes to avoid, you're one big step ahead of most beginners. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful farming tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and happy farming.